Elon Musk has once again dropped a statement that made economists blink, laugh nervously, and then open Twitter. This time, he hinted that energy could replace fiat money. Not gold, not crypto, not apples, at the market. Energy. Yeah, that same thing you overpay for every month because you forgot to unplug your air fryer. In one of his posts, Musk wrote, "That is why Bitcoin is based on energy. You can issue fake fiat currency, but you can't fake energy." Translated from Musk speak, he's saying that real value doesn't come from paper or pixels. It comes from something tangible. Something you can't just print, inflate, or conjure out of thin air.
Musk doesn't look at money like a banker. He looks at it like an engineer. He sees an economy flooded with printed cash, where inflation keeps climbing and governments treat money like an infinite resource. Every time the Fed injects liquidity, somewhere in Texas, Musk probably flinches. And so he asked the question, if money is just numbers in a system, then what makes those numbers real? His answer? Energy. Because energy can't be faked, it can't be printed, and it's the foundation of everything, from rockets to coffee machines. Now picture this. You walk into a futuristic store, grab a loaf of bread, and the cashier says, "That'll be 0.004 kilowatt hours, please." You open your phone and your balance says 12 kilowatt hours remaining this week. Sounds like an episode of Black Mirror, right? A world where money isn't about numbers, it's about watts. Crazy as it sounds, there's logic here. Energy is universal. It's measurable. It's finite. When you charge your Tesla, you're already paying in energy. You just don't notice it because banks and billing systems translate it into dollars first.
At a deeper level, Musk is really asking, what gives anything its value? And the answer is energy. Food, that's solar energy stored in plants. Metal, that's energy used to mine and refine it. The internet, a massive web of servers burning electricity to show you cat videos and Musk memes. So when Musk says energy is money, he's not being poetic, he's being literal. Money in its purest form is just a way of tracking human effort, and effort is energy. So instead of saying $5 for coffee, you could say, here's how many joules it took to bring that coffee to me. We've been trading energy all along. We just disguised it as cash.
Okay, sounds great in theory, but here's the cold shower. You can't store energy in your wallet. At least, not unless your wallet is a Tesla Powerwall. Energy prices fluctuate. Morning electricity and evening electricity are completely different worlds. And you can't hoard kilowatt hours under your mattress. They fade, convert, dissipate. Imagine trying to exchange energy across borders. Sorry, your payment's delayed. Cloudy weather in Germany. The infrastructure alone would be insane. Smart grids, global standards, real-time conversions. And can you picture an international monetary fund for electricity? Breaking news, the dollar is down because the sun didn't shine enough in California today. Yeah, not quite ready for prime time.
This is why Musk brings Bitcoin into the conversation. Bitcoin isn't just a digital coin, it's a system that links currency to energy.
To create Bitcoin, you must burn real electricity, do real computational work. Every coin represents physical effort. If fiat currency runs on trust, then Bitcoin runs on voltage. That's why Musk sees Bitcoin as more than a speculative asset. To him, it's proof of concept, a digital economy grounded in physics, not politics. A world where money is earned through energy, not just printed by decree. In the near future? Probably not. But we're moving toward it, bit by bit, watt by watt. Some startups are already tokenizing energy. 1 token equals 1 kilowatt hour, generated from solar or wind. Some communities even trade electricity peer-to-peer, bypassing banks entirely. It's not mainstream yet, but it's coming. And knowing Musk, if anyone launches the first energy bank, it'll be him, powered by solar panels on Mars.
In truth, Musk's idea isn't just about energy or Bitcoin. It's about value. He's asking us to rethink what wealth really means. Not just numbers in an app, but the energy, creativity, and human effort behind them. And maybe someday, your bank balance won't show dollars. It'll show how much energy you've contributed to the world. Sounds crazy, sure. But then again, so did reusable rockets. So what do you think? Would you live in a world where electricity is currency, or do you prefer good old-fashioned cash? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like the video before your battery runs out. See you next time, and may the energy be with you.